Here we go. 10-minute low impact walking workout. We are going to move throughout the entire 10 minutes. If nothing else, always just come back to this. You got this. Let's get the heart rate up, build some real endurance, some core stability, mobility. Just stay active today so that really we can be our happiest selves. Let's sidestep. Elbows back. High energy. And just stick with it today. I believe in you if you'll believe in me. I think I can. I think we're all searching for to be happy that comes from within. A little bit of light movement. Get us every time. Come on. Oh yeah. Stretch it out in the back there. Brilliant. And we're going to come into a march. And let's stop this and march. Get the knee up as high as you can. Lateral movement as well. Building lots of different muscles. If somehow you get a little bit of, hey, bouncing your step, happy days. A little skip. Now, you can't not smile when you're skipping. We're going to come into a power walk. Ready? Let's go. Really swing the arms. And again, if you can just slow it down, you always modify. If you just hear, this is where I'm at, okay, fine. But if you can pick up the pace a bit, head up, we're walking. We're going to boost our mood and elevate our energy for sure with this 10 minutes. Just so we can go through our day a little bit stronger. Let's go. Pick it up a bit. Yeah. All right. Shake it out. Get ready. Okay. Side step. Elbow. Just one at a time. Think about engaging the core here. Real core stability. Getting lots of steps in. Ooh, just one at a time. Just focus on. Keep them up nice and high. Hold them. Building shoulder strength. We need our arms to go for our walks. Consider stretching that leg out a little bit further. Now, really reach it out. Getting an extra stretch while we build this amazing strength. Couple more. Yeah. Brilliant. And let's walk. Get a little loosey-goosey. Just swing the arms a little differently. Dynamic ways. Feel it in your legs also. Maybe we're a little more dancing than walking. Just move your body so that it feels nice. Okay. Take our march. Arms up. Legs up a little bit. Arms come up. Engage the core here. Real core stability. Just get the legs up. Arms up as well. Might be a little bit awkward. That's the goal. Get that brain working as well. Come on. You got this. Feel it in the shoulders. Get in the back. Yes, a couple more. And yeah, let's walk. Ooh. I assure you, I can feel that in my shoulders. That's nice. It doesn't take a lot. It really doesn't. We don't need hours in the gym. We don't have to go for epic workouts. We've lost the plot. We just need to move naturally. The people who live the longest, the happiest, they don't exercise. They just find ways to move throughout their day. So this is just we're going for a walk together. Doing things together is so important also. Come on, just walk. Lots of steps today. Getting that heart rate up. Okay. Depending on what your space is, let's just forward and back. Forward and back. Head up, and let's just move. Walking backwards, it's really great for us too. If you get a chance when you're out and you can safely do it, it works different muscles. It's good for a sense called proprioception. That's that awareness. You can tell when things are around us. You just know. Head up and let's go. Find a nice rhythm. You go at your pace. It's a little silly. Childlike, right? Let's be more childlike. Oh, we can do things. Have some fun. Find a way to move that's enjoyable, that makes you smile and laugh. Oh, that's going to win the day. And just keep showing up every day. Movement every day. Consistency is king. Far more important than doing crazy epic workouts that are just going to leave you exhausted and sore. Just move, baby. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm feeling it. Picking up the pace a bit. Join me. Come on. I only have a few minutes left. You can do this. Come on. Yes. Okay. Let's slow it down. Come back to the middle. Let's build a little bit of strength. We want to be happy. Well, then we need some good leg strength. Just join me, please, in some pulse squats. Not going too low. Great for the glutes here. The thighs. Building incredible strength in the legs. Again, it doesn't take a lot. We got this. Yes. I love it. Swing those arms. Start to reach back even further when you come up. Reach back. Reach back. Come up high and reach. Up high and reach, yeah. You're working the triceps as well. Oh, we're doing it all today. A couple more. Shake that out. Let's walk. Still with a nice pace. Let's keep that heart rate up. We got this. Head up. We're walking. Oh yeah, we are. Okay. Shake it out. Last exercise. Arms are up. I'm just going to kick. I want you to think about your core here. Tight core. Head up high. Oh yeah. Come on, this is good. This is the good stuff. It's where the rubber hits the road. This last exercise. Oh yeah. Maybe we get that leg up a little bit higher. Oh yeah. A little more flexibility and mobility. Yes. A couple more. Do your best. Oh yes. Ooh. Let's walk. A little pace. We'll slow it down, but let's move. Just to finish off strong. Head up. Real intention. Move through your day. Embrace every movement. Oh, yes. How lucky am I to walk, to swing my arms, to see. Oh, my heart is beating today. Yeah. Got this. Come on. And we'll start to slow it down. Still moving, just gently. Oh, yes. Let's just take a few moments. Real light movement. Even if you stand up and you do this a few times throughout your day, just to get a little bit of movement, get the blood flowing. You're going to change everything. And keep that mindset. I think I can. Attitude is everything. It's the only thing we can control. Pick a good one throughout your whole day. Breathe. Slowly coming to a stop. And shake it out. You did it again. Keep showing up. It's truly amazing. Now's the time. Job done. Share your progress. Let's keep inspiring others to just move more often. Go and be incredibly physically active today. And do it. And be happy. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.